Sheriff is still here.
Oh, I mean, I'm great.
What's up, guys? So, not gonna lie, I was in the shower, like in the middle of showering, and we got a call for what I believe is a transit van down here on the south end of the beach. We're getting close now, but pretty sure they've been written a ticket. So warning to you guys, if you're ever out here and you get stuck, it is worth it to just call us. We'll work with you, but you know, you don't want to be getting hit with the whole two birds one stone thing, because it's not a good two birds one stone thing. So we're gonna get down here, and we thought we would take you guys along with us, maybe get a little short YouTube vid out. So we'll see. Tag along. See ya. Guys, we're on scene. Sheriff is still here. We're going to see what the situations look like. Situation is looking like started raining again. Not hard, thankfully, but it's a little wet. So, yay. Whoa. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How about yourself?
Oh, I mean, I'm great.
What was your name?
Mike Murphy.
Mike Murphy.
Yeah.
John, nice to meet you, man.
How you doing?
I'm all right. Let's take a look at this thing.
Google Maps. That is deep.
Yeah, it is. And it's got what looks to be like no. You know, honestly, it might be easier, Christian, to take this thing forward and take it in a big circle and bring it back. Because look how much beach we have.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because look, we could. Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, so I think what the best game plan will be is I have a bridle I can wrap around your front control arms because the back's all down and buried and messy. And then I'll just be able to pull you out straight. Since we have a good amount of beach right now, I'll just pull you in a nice big circle and we'll come back around up onto the ramp, okay?
All right.
All right.
Because these are not turning, except for what you're pulling. It won't dig in again? Be okay?
Nope, because I'm going to be pulling on it. It should get some traction and we'll come up out of the hole. Once I get it hooked up, I'll just have you in there, wheel straight with me, just giving it a little bit of gas and drive. And I'll be doing most of the work, and it should come up out of the hole, and we'll do our big loop and go up to the ramp, all right?
All right.
All right. Sounds good. I appreciate you. Let us get it hooked up. It could be worse. All right. Put her in 4 low. Get our toe power and our rear locker. (7/8 by 20). Yeah, you know what? That'll be fine. Our Yankum to work, Yankum bridle, Yankum rope, Yankum soft shackle. All right, I'm gonna try and get a thumbnail. What? All right, so I'm gonna try and start with a nice easy bop. It should come up. If I have to, I'll give it a little bit more. But once it comes up, we'll just swing nice and wide. I want you to leave a little bit of tension on the line so you don't run over the rope, but give me a tiny bit of gas if we need it. Make sense?
Yep.
And then we'll just come around in a big circle and come back up the ramp, okay?
Excellent.
All right. All right, we're coming up soon. Here we go. Sheriff getting on our way just in time. Bring him up to where it's flat. We know he'll be okay. And we'll come to a stop. Oh yeah. Like butter, baby. Alrighty guys, we're wrapped up. It was pretty quick. It was a transit van of a variation. It was pretty stuck for being two-wheel drive, but was able to get a Yankum bridle on it, get a Yankum rope on it, and we yanked him out of there. Got him up in basically a big horseshoe back to the ramp, and the sheriff was nice enough to help him rinse it off. So everyone's happy, and we go on about our night. And you guys hopefully will enjoy the video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm Bob.